Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to link your Google Pay with your credit card, a debit card, or any card in general. Step number one, you're going to need to have Google Pay in your phone. You can download Google Pay from your app store or any store that's available in your device and you can continue. Now step number two, downloading the Google Pay app, you're going to go ahead and open the app and open it on your mobile device. Step number three, now you need to sign in or create an account. If you have an already existing Google account, you can sign in using your existing credentials. If not, you will need to create a new Google account. Now, step number four, add a payment method. Tap on the payment or payment message option. Select add payment method and choose the option that fits your needs. You can add a debit card, you can add a bank account, or you can add PayPal. You can enter credit cards as well. Step number five, security. Google Pay offers various security features such as PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred security method to protect your account. Number six, verify your payment method. Depending on your bank or card issuer, you may need to verify your payment method. This usually involves receiving a code via SMS or email and entering it into the app. Step number seven, enable Google Pay on your device. Now, this is an optional step, but I would suggest you do it. Some devices may require additional setup to use Google Pay for contactless payments. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable NFC and ensure your device is compatible with Google Pay. And now you get to explore features. Once your payment method is added and verified, you can explore additional features of Google Pay, such as sending money to friends, paying at participating merchants, and storing loyalty cards and tickets. You can add multiple payment methods to your Google Pay account, including cards, bank accounts, and PayPal and travel passes. Now, lastly, you need to review and manage settings. Take some time to review and manage your Google Pay settings. You can adjust notification preferences, manage payment methods, and update security settings as needed. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Pay, and now you can use it for various transactions and things, both online and in stores. I hope you enjoyed the video on the detailed step-by-step method on how to enable Google Pay. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you want us to make more videos of any other ideas that you might have, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you for watching.